What's up, Airkewld Army? It's your friend Pete with the last video of this bad boy. The Avery chassis is finished. All we gotta do is get it to him. I'm excited to show you. If you think this chassis looks supreme, make sure you give one of those. See if we can get 100 likes. That'd be pretty awesome. Let's get into it. I know you're gonna love it. It's all finished, folks. The Avery chassis started out as a 67 Type 1 chassis, full length. And we have ended up with this bad boy. I'll kind of show a little picture right here of what this is the body that's gonna fit on it. It's gonna be out in Texas, so you guys get to see this in the flesh. We'll go over all the things about this. So let's start. Like I said, 67 chassis. Let me step back here. So this chassis, as you guys know, or if you don't, if you're new, hey, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. This chassis has been shortened 14 inches. The shifter has been moved back 9 inches. We reached out to Flat Out Customs in England, and they supplied us with some brand new pan halves. These things are badass. We'll show a little tidbit of when we were installing them here, and we'll put a link up here of us actually doing the install. These are bitchin', and we'll put the seatbelt mounts back here. He wanted to get as much room as possible for the seats to be mounted, and we went with the vintage speed shifter that's adjustable, so you could adjust the tension. And I made this cool little inspection plate that kind of highlights his VIN number, kind of ties the whole car together. It's two pieces. This will stay here, this will come off, and that way he can maintenance his shift linkage or anything he has to run through the tunnel. We did inspection plate here, and as you know, or you don't know, this is silver vein, and this is done without a third coat, which would be like a high gloss clear. We decided to go with more of a satin finish. I think it looks more delicious. Comment down below if you think this is delicious in the satin finish, or would you rather have gloss on your car? Part of the mods that we did is we actually put a wire tube, or we call it a wire conduit, from here all the way into the back of this chassis, coming out right there. And that'll allow him to do his wiring through the chassis rather than in the body, so kind of clean it up. We did a push and pull fuel injection. The front has 2 different holes, and the back also has a push and pull, push and a pull, and it could be either way depending on how he wants to wire it or plumb it. But he's running a Subaru WRX motor on it. So however the fuel connects to, I'm ignorant to it, I'll be honest, to the injectors, you know, there's a push and a pull, right? So it kind of keeps the pressure equalized. So we have that in here instead of running it like on the sides or whatever. It's all internal, looks cleaner. Because, once again, I'll show a picture of the body here. The factory front end would not work with shock towers. So we went with a shockless beam, 6-inch, and that would bring the wheels inside the fender wells just perfect. And we coupled that with some CB drop spindles and bad series brakes with Wilwood 4-piston calipers, all lines bent by yours truly, plumbed, pretty clean install. And this is our pro-built 6-inch narrow beam. So it has the ability to adjust 7.25 inches, which is the ball joint articulation. So whatever the ball joints can do, the adjusters can do it. So we set it up at stock height up here, and it comes all the way down to a total of possibility, once these ball joints are broken in, of 10 inches. Obviously we don't want this thing to hit the ground, and once he gets his final ride height set up, then he can trim this part of it up so he doesn't drag it. What else? Bad series brakes in, I think it's 5 on 4.5, and he's got these really trick lug nuts. We had to kind of makeshift the socket so it didn't go deep enough and gall it up. But RC Comp Hammer S wheels in 17 by 5s with some Mickey Thompsons. These are, what are these? Sportsman, oh, here's size 26 by 6 17s. I think they're too big for the car, but if they do, then we're gonna go to something else. The client brought the wheels and tires and sent them to us. All we did was make sure they fit on the vehicle. We did a new pan seal. You saw Joey install that. We did the pedal assembly and a cruiser pedal. The master cylinder's done in red with the remote reservoir. All stainless hardware, assembling all these parts, including the steering box. We utilize some stainless torsion caps with our stainless hardware kit. Truss bar from Fast Fab, link in the description. Obviously, anything that I'm talking about is going to be in the description below, so after you get done watching the film, make sure you look at the description. All these links will be to our website, anything that we have available for building these. We can also build you the same thing, similar, or we can build something like that. We do not build complete cars. We only build chassis here, and that's like 1% of our business. We build drivetrain every day. So we went with the pro-built performance transaxles, and we went with the race-ready brakes with no e-brakes, and all stainless hardware, lowered shocks, our little brake line brackets on the axle tubes. Everything clears by like a hair. He's going to get back to us if we need to kind of build a spacer into this to kind of allow that tire to flatten out a little bit and not get close to that spring plate. We got our stainless screws down here, trans bolts, all stainless hardware, putting it together. And this is something that we will be building for the kit cars soon. It's a cable shortener, and it'll have our 6-shooter nut. This one does not, because we had to kind of make this work, and eventually we'll have a 6-shooter. We'll replace this so it's all the right stuff once we get it done in production. So that's that. These are some meats in the back, 15 by 10s, and they're also Mickey Thompsons. And these are 325/50 15s. And what else we got on this bad boy? We did this new spine on the back, on the bottom. We'll get this in the air and we'll kind of do that.
I can live this way. I've had enough. I know that it's easy to blame, but this road goes a couple of ways. Lost between the night and the day. I don't know if I can live this way. I've had enough. Time to take control. It's in my blood, in the weight of my soul. Done these chains to lust and these ashes to go. Stop me now. I've had enough. Can't stop me now. I've had enough. Can't stop me. Don't know what it's like to be free. Lost between the love and the greed. Roll the dice in this game we play. I don't know if I can live this way. I know that it's easy to blame, but this road goes a couple of ways. Lost between the night and the day. I don't know if I can live this way.
But this is the height that I think we should be running at. We'll see if the client agrees. What do you guys think? Comment down below what you think of this bad boy. I think it's betters our last build. It was a bad mamma jamma, but I think this is cleaner. I don't know, man. The Mad Manx is pretty clean, but man, the panhalves are sick on this. All the little custom touches are pretty crazy. We hope you enjoyed this film. If you like these videos with content like this, consider subscribing. We appreciate it. We have roughly about 20% of you that are watching this film are subscribed. If we were to get up to 70–80%, the channel will get better. It's just an algorithm thing, I guess. But we urge you, click the little subscription button, give us a like. We appreciate it. Look forward to building you a chassis or some of these amazing components. Catch you next time, guys. Have a good day. Hey guys, the 2021 promotion is still going on. You can win one of these ultimate beams by subscribing, commenting below on any air-cooled video you see. That's easy. That's all you got to do. Enter today, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.